Hi Daniel, I'm introducing our group called TMNT. The people in our group are Heather, Amir, Tahir, Yurai, and Angad. Alright, our group, that's a photo of our group. About the project, we chose to do it about student accommodation because we felt that there was an easier way for students to apply for student accommodation, pay for it using PayPal, to complain about it. And just have a centralized way of like working. We d- um we decided that we would make an app, a mobile app, and a website, and which will allow like students to search for different kinds of halls, show their preference, apply to them, and receive feedback from them if they get accepted or not, and pay for it. Hadir Elias, he was um he was a leading force in the management of the project. He time managed the whole project. He worked on the project glossary. He worked on wireframes and questions for the survey, and he compiled both the interim and the final report. Tahir Mia. He worked on the activity diagram, the use case listing, use case specification, use case matrix, wireframes, and he contacted UCL staff along with Uri. Matthew Law. He worked a lot on the technical aspect of the project. He worked to find the functional and non-functional requirements. He worked on the state machine diagram, the package diagram, the three-tier architecture, the design class diagram, and he met with other groups as well for sharing ideas. Yurai Parnahai. He worked on sequence diagrams, use case diagram, domain model, and he contacted UCL staff. So you can see he worked on the technical aspect as well. Amr De La Walla, he worked on the business model canvas, the Porter's five forces, summary of survey results, SWOT analysis, USP, the unique selling point, sorry, marketing analysis, and he contacted UCL staff, revenue model, and personas. Angad Singh, which is me, I worked on like the creative part of the project. I came up with the idea of working on the student accommodation. I made the video presentation for Powtoon, and I wrote the project overview and introduction, and I worked on the class diagram and the questions for the survey.